Paulina from Secret of Passion. Today I want to show you my chunky junk journal flip through. So I will talking a little bit and going through every single signature. So we can take out. Got a ribbon closure here. There's the custom order for my friends, so there's some of these pages are already customized. Never mind, she not writing the personal things here. Okay, the first page, the inside front cover I made from the McDonald's packaging. There is the Hello Lovely and the free tags on the front, one with window, and all of them got like a space to writing on the back. Okay, first page is just my playing, putting some napkins, stamps. Okay, big pockets here, so we've got a lots of space to writing on. Pocket here, making so nice sound. The coffee dyed and little booklet, little notepad. There's like a pocket here between them two pages, so you can open. Here's the journaling space. So make it a little bit closer. Oh, skydiving, she's jumping. Butterflies, lots of pockets here with some space as well to write some secret message. Lots of tags here as well. It's like an envelope, top spots behind, and journaling card inside. So small envelope here with little card. And here we've got like two pockets, and this page going under them too. So that looks really nice. Like a little bee stamp here. The corner pocket, the envelope here, some butterflies, some secrets, notepad here, like a journaling card, like just a collage page. There's like a dollies with them belly bands and some paper, inking paper here. And the belly bands you can open, and you still got inside the belly bands space for writing. That is like a postcard and some big envelope here, so you can write both sides, even hiding in the pocket. There's like a just decorating page. There's like my handmade paper, really nice, really good fun, really messy project, to be honest. Long notepad to put some notes. Card here and there. Okay, there is a index card. You can open and right here there is a nice pocket. You can see flowers inside. for dry pressed flower. A little card on the edge of this pocket, collage page, like a belly band with tags, open tag, and there's like a little booklet with one pocket here, one pocket here. Oh. So you can close, put under the belly band. The belly band is open, and you've got like a funny shape tag inside. I really like the gold and the roses. Even this paper is like I coffee dyed this one on my garden table. That looks so amazing. My doodlings here, so making this page completely different, and collage on this page. It's like a my doodlings on the corner. Okay, so like a little booklet here, open journaling card, I can say, and some piece of paper, ink around, another fake envelope, so you can write it inside, and a pocket here, like with dolly. I love this one. Some napkin, some pocket, and some, there's like a postcard. There's like clusters, some mushroom, and there is my window. I can show you the quite long project, but so nice. You can open. Here we are. So inside is a pocket. It's like a press sleeve, doodling, and there is like a envelope. But oh, you can still put in the journaling card behind, open envelope, and inside is still space for 2 little cards. Okay, it's nearly finished. There is like a box. There was box when I ate all the chocolates, so I used the box, and I put in just card, SD card with photos, and some little booklet, some small pocket. Last page, it's like a belly band here. Here is a belly band, so the hanging this tag on a behind or on a top, and here is like a tea bag pocket with small tag. I love this pocket, so delicate but so nice. And the last pocket on a inside back cover. So here we are. That wasn't, I hope, so long. So thank you so much for watching this quick excuse me, this quick flip through. There is my first video on YouTube, and I hope I will putting some more stuff, how I doing the junk journal. I've got lots of ideas, so just please keep my channel open and check if something coming. I will adding some more contents quick how possible. Thank you so much. Have a good day, have a good night, and happy crafting. Thank you. Bye.